Pumpkin Spice Overnight Oats. Ingredients: half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of milk, either dairy or plant-based, a quarter cup of canned pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds if you like, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. You can adjust to taste half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice or a mix of cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. Just a pinch of salt. And for optional toppings, you can add nuts, seeds, dried cranberries, or even a dollop of yogurt. Mix ingredients. In a mason jar or a bowl, combine the rolled oats, milk, pumpkin puree, chia seeds, maple syrup, pumpkin pie spice, and a pinch of salt. Stir until well combined. Cover the jar or bowl with a lid or plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator overnight or for at least 4 hours. In the morning, give the oats a good stir. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a splash of milk to reach your desired consistency. Top with your choice of nuts, seeds, dried cranberries, or a dollop of yogurt before enjoying. You can make a batch for several days. Just layer them in separate jars for grab-and-go breakfasts. Adjust the sweetness and spice levels to your preference. Enjoy your warm and comforting pumpkin spice oats this fall. Don't forget to like and subscribe.